how to search referral code on Shein, or how you can find the referral code on Shein. So to find a referral code on Shein, and follow this step. First of all, you have to launch your Shein app on your device. Once you have launched your Shein app, you have to tap on your profile or icon, or you can go to your account section here. So once you are here, so you might be find the option labeled as referral or invite friend, which may be based on the update of the app. So just go for the setting icon and you can go for your manage account and you can't find any of that. So you have to look for the refer a code or invite friend here on your scene. So if you don't find that, go back. And here on your gift card, you can find the gift card. So there is no any option of refer code, or you can share your code on your scene. So you have to just go and navigate to your setting icon and you can go for your my QR and you can go for the QR and you can share your QR with your friend. So with the help of this simple step, you can know about referral code on your scene. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.